James Mathers for the Digital Cinema Society at NAB 2026. I'm here in the GVM booth with Azhar, Abdulkadir, and he's going to tell us about what's new with their lights. You know, it's not a light that's very well known in the cinema business. I hope we can change that because you guys make some great lights. But tell us what's new.
Of course. So last year we released the Zip Tile series. It ranged 1x1, 2x1, and 3x1 over here. So the 3x1, this is actually 2-panel zipped together, hence the name Zip Tile. It has zipper on the back, integrated in all 4 corners. You can expand it as much as you want. So this is 200 watt. It do bi-color from 2700 Kelvin to 6800. It comes with a small control box, which offer V-mount compatibility on the back. And yeah, what we did this year is we worked on the mounting system. So we received a lot of feedbacks from our customers saying how the mount is hard to operate and how it slip out in certain conditions. So we're like, yeah, how we can improve this? And this year we definitely did a major improvements. The mount will slide in much easier and it's going to be much more secure, robust. So it's very safe for overhead rigging or over the ceiling rigging as well.
And tell us about this light modifier.
Oh, of course. So this is our brand new modifiers. We make them in square shape like this, as well as a strip, light strip. So it's inflatable, and when you purchase it, you're gonna get an inflatable pump as well. And in less than 10 seconds, this will blow up. It's super lightweight. You can use the Velcro on the back and pop onto the light. It gives you really accurate colors and skin tone.
And it folds up really small, I'm sure.
Of course, it's literally lightweight and you can put it in your pocket even.
Show me some of your other new lights.
Of course. Let's come over to this.
Azhar, we saw this light last year, but now it looks like it's full color. Tell me about it.
That's right. So the Rain, last year we released the FH400B. We also show a little glimpse of what 400C, the RGB light, could be. And this year, this design have fully finalized, and we're utilizing 7 LED diodes to make to full color spectrum capability. And it's very accurate to the skin point. We have very high TLCI and CRI score. SSI score, daylight, and tungsten are amazing. So this light utilized the Flathead design. Still work with the interchangeable modules over here. Pipe clamp like this one. And features a Bowens mount at the front, so all your Bowens accessories still works the same. And on top of it, as you can see, the larger mount is our own mount. It's the G mount. And currently we have a reflector and a softbox and a light dome. It's a more secure mount compared to the Bowens mount.
Let's turn it around and show the interface.
Here I'm changing the hue value and going through all the colors. In this light, we also offer RGB mode, where you can dial in your exact red, green, blue value. You also get XY coordinate and gels. All right, here we have a few new lights as a new addition to our Flathead series. This is Flathead FA500B. This is a 500 watt bi-color light. Here we have a 200C, 200 watt RGB light. We have a 300B, 300 watt bi-color, and also a 500 watt RGB light over there. So these lights are going to be a new addition to our Flathead series. As you can see, the profile of this, it's slim, it's lightweight, so you can easily pack a lot of it into a suitcase, a backpack. So it's going to be extremely useful for run and gun shooting, dock style, travel work. And also, the RGB lights feature RGB WW light engine, but later on, when the finalized product will be ready in July 1st, we're expecting, and by that time we will implement 6 dial, which will be RGB ACL. That will give you much more accurate color rendition.
So what kind of mount is that? I guess you could put a lot of different modifiers on then.
At the front, it still features a Bowens mount, yeah. So with all your purchase of this light, it comes with this diffusion dome. You can choose to leave this in. This will work as a diffusion, and it's not going to melt on any high temperature at all. And when you want to swap your attachment, just remove this, put on your softbox, strip box, intensifier, anything.
Very versatile.
That is, yeah.
And you have something else you wanted to show us?
Yeah, one last thing, one little. All right, here's the last light I want to show you. So this is what we call the PF100B. It's a LED Fresnel style light. It's extra compact and it has a built-in barn door 8 leaves which cuts light effectively. And what it does is, so through the knobs in the back, you can change the mode from flood to spot. And when it's at spot mode, you get a 9.9 degree spot beam. So it's extremely useful. I use this a lot as when I haze up the room. I create a shaft of light, or I touch up little elements in the background. So very handy little light.
Those are very impressive lights. Thank you so much for showing us.
Of course. Thank you for coming here. Yep.